I'm Pat, and this is Lydia. We're the sales managers here at Advanced Assembly. We have over 30 years of experience helping engineers get their PCBs made quickly with exceptional quality. I wanted to take just a minute of your time and give you 3 reasons why engineers all across the country decide to use Advanced Assembly.
Number 3, our quality. Our quality is top notch. We take quality very serious around here. That's why we stand behind our work with an unconditional guarantee.
Number 2, we're focused. In 2004, we paved the way of this industry, showing engineers what quick turn assembly is. Today, we have over 6 high-speed pick-and-place lines, and we can handle your low-volume production work.
Number 1, we're fast. We're the fastest printed circuit board assembly shop in the United States. Most of our jobs are done in less than 3 days, some even as fast as 24 hours.
Give us a try, experience the difference, and you'll understand why we are the #1 PCB assembly company in the U.S.